Cherish shit at its best.
Team Napalm for life.
Sound design crazy, nutty. Y'all want? Magician, beat physician. My watch glisten when the sun hit it. Fly shit. I take control of ya, still magnolia. The kids from the grain like granola. VVS shining. Energy, solar, flow colder than a polar. Plus I'm a little bipolar. Hustle since the Motorola page in a Coca dice roller. Is a hold up. They could lock me up, but the kid had never flunked up. Reading a book starring Jehovah. Oh Lord. Crack your frame, cause pain like See, I don't think they ever seen a true to life soldier. My ammunition in the Iraq mission. Fuck around and get your Pyrac missing. Writing exact, he's a true practitioner. High science when I do this, there's nothing to this. Beat the track up like Popeye did Brutus. Fuck the rumors, I leave tumors. I'm from the crust of a law's hands, and I swear he love my napalm brand. Still magnolia, so cold causing hypothermia. Still magnolia, I swear I never heard of ya, that's why I'm not concerned with ya. Still magnolia, hold more weight than a hernia. Still magnolia,
Napalm for life.
Mike titanium, lyrics are uranium. Explosive, with enough electrons to crack your fucking cranium. He be rhyming like the spirit of Saddam Hussein. Terrorism, a vision that was unseen. Visible, new regime, Team Napalm work like machines. Yeah, yak ready, I attack steady. Compose deadly medley, beats heavy, remind me of an old Chevy. Fuck a levy, unorthodox drum succumb to the killer's tongue. Significant, magnificent, leave a taste in your mouth like an old stick of laughing. Like the father Icarus, fuck a hippie with a Wu tattoo. The PR terrorist, she know what it do. No cavalier with the Gucci on. The type of nigga that your bitch you put a coochie on. Yeah, spend all her looking like a young Susan Lucci God. New album full of killers starring the dawn. And I'm just getting warm, right before I transform and drop that napalm bomb. Still magnolia, so cold causing hypothermia. Still magnolia, swear I never heard of ya, that's why I'm not concerned with ya. Still magnolia, hold more weight than a hernia. Still magnolia. I mean, what is this still magnolia? It started out as a stench and now it's like a world phenomenon or something, right? I mean, is it food or? I mean, is it a smell or?